Peace and blessings. How you all doing? This is Eva Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. You guys please check us out, like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so today we are looking at some tools here and what I believe is the one tool for the urban gardener that is almost perfect, that will do almost every task, and it is the amazing Hori Hori here. The Hori Hori is a tool that Japanese gardeners have been using for years. Alright, so check it out. It's full tang, metal running all the way through. Both sides you are able to cut with. You have a serrated edge and this sharp edge, and it is sharp, so if you have a Hori Hori, please be careful. Alright, we have numbers here that helps us with our measurements to see how deep we may be digging or planting a seed. Alright, we have inches and millimeters here. Alright, so we have the systems of measurement on this. So it's helping us to cut, measure, and it's helping us to dig here. If you could see this palm of it, almost, it's helping us to replace this right here. I don't know how many of these I have purchased. It doesn't matter how much I spend on them. They all break eventually. It may last one season or it may last 2 or 3, but they eventually break, okay? So the Hori Hori, I feel, will definitely replace that. This Hori Hori was a gift, a birthday gift that my wife got me. All right, and it came with this awesome cover here. It's somewhat leather, I would say, but it does allow you to be protected as you carry it. You can see that there's a belt loop here for you to put it on your belt and to keep it holstered while you are in your garden. So if you're looking for a sort of catch-all tool that's going to allow you to keep it on your hip, and when you need to utilize it, put it to work, I feel that the Hori Hori is it. I am excited to have it. I like the wooden handle. And you guys, depending on how much you want to spend, I mean, depends on the quality. We got this one, I think it was around 30 bucks, but I've seen some Hori Horis running over 100 bucks, and I'm quite sure, you know, you get what you pay for in this situation. But I'm happy with what I got. And I definitely plan on using this Hori Hori for years to come. All right, so if you're looking for a catch-all tool, check out the Hori Hori. This is Eva Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. Once again, like and subscribe. Check us out. All right, and remember, the food you grow is the food you know. Peace.